go time.
Yes, sir.
Opening day, Pennsylvania, 2024 turkey season. And we even drug the grumpy cat out of bed. A little bit of a surprise. She flipped us off last night on camera.
Yep.
And this morning, she got out of bed to go turkey hunting. So hopefully a turkey flips her off.
Very rude of her.
Yeah, you're dang right it was. Anyways, hunting close to home today.
Yep.
We'll see what happens. There's been birds here all week. Every morning I get up to go to work, they're gobbling. So hopefully today's no exception. But trying to cut a little distance off on them and get up in there today. They've been gobbling the last couple of days, so we'll see what happens. A few 100-yard walk and we should be up to our listening point at least. So stay tuned. Gotta get set up. They're right where they were yesterday. Right where they were yesterday. We're at a good spot up here. Alright, so there's a bird gobbling just down off the bank. We gotta get set up right here. That bird's like right there. That bird's gonna come up here. Somebody's gonna shoot at this turkey. Yeah. That bird's got one just down off, so we're in the spot that I think he wants to be. This nice open top. He's gonna come up here, I think. Yeah, he's right there. Let's get right out here. There's that big bunch of trees right there. We'll set up right there. He's on the ground.
He's a lot closer.
He's on the ground. Get ready. You want to get ready. He's on the ground.
I see him.
Huh?
I see him.
Where? Oh, yep. Can you kill him right there?
I can't see him.
Don't. He's coming. All right, move. Swing.
I can't shoot yet. That tree's in the way.
Yeah, can you kill him on the other side of it?
If he keeps walking, then I
He's got a strap right there. I see him right now. Okay. Next, we got a clear shot. Yes. Base of the neck. He's only like 35 yards.
He's got to come on the other side of the tree.
I know. He's coming right at us. Base of the neck. He's coming right at us. Literally right at us.
Yeah, I wish he would go to the right.
No, he's gonna come to the left.
He's going to go to the left of the tree.
I think so right now. Looks like it.
I can't see him at all right now.
He's behind that tree. Right there, see him? He's going left. Can you see him? Kill him as soon as you get a chance.
Smoked him.
I smoked him.
We'll get him. That's a big bird.
Oh, I didn't think I was going to be close.
Yes. Oh my god. Let's go. I didn't get it on film.
What?
He was behind the tree for me. But I didn't want him to get away.
Hopefully. My GoPro.
You should have. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. That's a big bird too for your first one. A good 2-year-old.
What?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
That's a big bird there. I didn't even see him. You were the first one to spot him.
I thought he was gonna keep walking, and I didn't dare to shoot.
Well,
You smoked him.
He was strutting right here. Yeah, that gun folded him.
Yeah.
I know.
That's
I
the
saw his wings
Hey,
flap, and I
that's
was
the
like,
first bird ever killed with that gun.
I know.
Yeah,
I
that's
like
the
that
first, That's your
gun.
first bird ever.
Really?
Yeah, I've never shot a bird.
Yes.
He's still alive.
Let's go. No, he's not. He's not. Yes.
Freaking smoked him. Yes, sir. You regret
didn't
not
know.
wanting to come?
I was nervous
Yeah, I'm
because I
glad I
didn't
came.
hear him start flapping when you shot.
I saw his wings flapping, so I knew.
Bird down, baby. Abby got him. Yeah, it's a good one. Decided to kind of wait till it was like just before gray light and started working our way up here with the hopes to run into one before we got here so we didn't have to hike the hill. But of course that didn't happen, so we got up onto the hill and he gobbled on his own actually, just down off right about where they've been every single morning this week. So I'm pretty sure there was more than one bird. Didn't even have to call at him until we were set up, which is super nice. Didn't have to do any really coaxing or anything. So he just kept letting us know where he was at, so we tried to get as close as we could. I looked on the map. You can't tell, but there's a really subtle little ravine right here. And I figured he was either going to come up that or he was going to fly down and come out around and come up over that point to where we had Mason sitting. And it actually went a lot better than I thought it was going
I
to.
would have rather saw her shoot it.
Yeah, I
That's what
mean,
happened,
I didn't
so-
care who shot, but I ended up standing up doing a fly down. He hammered at it. And I started scratching in the leaves, and it wasn't 2 minutes, and he was on the ground.
Exactly, I was
And
gonna
she
say
said she saw him out here, and he strutted around for a minute or so. I filmed him a little bit, and then I couldn't really judge his body language when he made his last. I think he was actually turned and headed back down off.
Yeah.
So I just told her any chance she had,
be
kill him.
honest-
And I think he was behind the tree for me.
To be honest,
I don't know that for sure, but regardless, she had the GoPro on her head, so we should have some
to be
footage of it.
honest, kind of surprised because she spotted it first.
Yeah, she did. She was the first one to see it. He come up a lot faster than what I figured. And it's a good bird, too. It's a solid bird. So, her first one ever. I wouldn't have cared if it was a Jake, but
Yeah.
we got a bird down. We got work to do, and we've got a lot of time left today. We might even be able to find another one. So,
That's double up, babies.
let's get some pictures and get this bird down to the house, and we're going to hit the road and go find another one. So,
Sure.
successful hunts are always good. That's
Stay
my first
tuned.
opening day bird.